This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sync Strava routes to your Wahoo ELEMNT Bolt. First, ensure both your Wahoo ELEMNT app and Strava app are fully updated to their latest versions on your smartphone. Then, open the Wahoo ELEMNT app and navigate to the Profile tab. From there, you will connect your Wahoo ELEMNT app directly to your Strava account, establishing the essential link for route transfers. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration. Next, within the Wahoo ELEMNT app, proceed to the Linked Account section found in the settings. Here, you will select Strava and grant the necessary permissions, specifically authorizing Strava Live segments. This authorization is key as it enables the automatic synchronization of your starred Strava routes directly to your Wahoo device. Without this step, your routes won't appear, so make sure to complete it thoroughly. Once your accounts are linked and authorized, head over to the Routes section within the Wahoo ELEMNT app. You'll see a list of your available routes. Choose the desired Strava route that you have previously starred on the Strava platform. After selecting your route, simply tap the Sync button. This action will transfer the route data directly to your ELEMNT Bolt, preparing it for your next adventure. Finally, with your route synced, power on your Wahoo ELEMNT Bolt device. From the main menu, navigate to the Routes option. You should now see your newly transferred Strava route listed among your available options. Select it, and your ELEMNT Bolt will load the course, ready for you to follow. You are now all set to enjoy your ride with precise navigation from your favorite Strava routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.